this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you Hobby Lobby haul. I actually ended up getting stuff from the Valentine's Day section. So everything right now is 50% off of anything that's left over. So they did have a lot of stuff still. They had decor. They had like the foam shapes. Like there's a lot of foam shapes. There was a lot of like little foam shapes, or like to do little crafts with kids kits. So they had a lot of that. So one of the things that I did grab was this here. This is a and these are animal stickers. There's a total of 150 pieces, and there is a unicorn, a shark eating a heart, a little sloth. Oh gosh, I forgot what this one's called. I don't remember what this one's called, but it's a little, like, it looks like a dolphin with a little horn. I can't remember what it's called. A little llama, and then little heart shapes. So I ended up getting this. This was 50% off, and it was originally $5.99. I have the receipt somewhere because I wanted to tell you guys. So these were I think these were $2.99 because I got 2 of them. I'm trying to look. The prices are really strange. I don't know if you've gone there to Hobby Lobby. That's just the way they kind of do their pricing. But I think these were $2.99. And then I also got this one, which is because they do like I think it's like $3 off. They kind of round it up. So these are the these are just stickers, and these are 250 pieces, and these are the hearts that come in here. So it's this one here, cutie, love, be mine, and then these little other hearts, they're together. So I got these. I was trying to look for stuff that was something that I can use like all year long and not just necessarily on Valentine's Day, but I thought these were cute because of the glitter. But these you can use anytime, so that's why I got these. These are pretty cute. And what I like is it says here Valentine 2020, so you kind of know what year you got them, which I thought was pretty cool. I had never noticed that. Okay, and then the other thing that I got were these heart dollies. These are 24. I got them in red. I got 2 in red. And then I got 2 in white. And there's a total of 24. They're 4 inches by 3.75. So I figured I can use those. I thought these were so cute. And like I said, mentioned before, I usually do things in 2s. I didn't do these in 2s because there's just too many of them already in there. But check out this one. Let me move this out of the way. These are so cute. It's little sloths, but they have sloths. Trying to say that plural. But they're in pink. Some of them are brown, but they are doing like little different things. Like this one here is eating watermelon. This one's just hanging out, listening to music, hugging inside of a mug, reading as they're having their coffee. So I thought they were really, really cute. And then there's other little hearts, and then like this little toucan, a little guitar. I had to get 2. They were so cute. I ended up getting 2 of those. And then the other thing that I wanted to share that I got from the Valentine's area, or whatever they had left. Jeez, I think I sliced a piece of that paper. Let me open both of them now that I have them. So I ended up getting these 2 little paper pads. They were, like I said, 50% off as well. One of them is called the Vintage oh my god, Valentine, which is that one that's right there. I'm trying to cut this. Every time I try to cut this, I feel like I'm cutting the papers. So I'm trying to be careful not to cut it. And that one was originally $6.99. And there's a total of 48 sheets, 16 designs. And so this is the first one. Why is it still? Oh, it's because I did the back part. I forgot. So I ended up getting. I really wanted to get 2 of each, but I really don't need more paper pads. Let me just go this way so it's faster. So they have that. It looks like, oh, it's 3 designs for each one. There's that one. Oh, that one's nice. Oh, look at those roses. So this one's very vintagey. Like, you can definitely use it in something that you're trying to do. I think this would be cool if when whatever I use this with, I use some of those extra paper or book pages that I have left over. So like I have a lot of this. So this would be cool if I use this as either a background or on it if I do like some cutouts. So I got that one. And then this one is just the love one. I thought these were really bold colors compared to the vintage. They only had these 2 there. I don't know if they had any other ones. These were, like I said, in the Valentine's Day area, which was right at the entrance. And so this is the paper this one had. So these are pretty bold colors. Oh, I like this one. It has actual cutouts. I don't think I saw that in here. Maybe I missed it, but I don't think there is. No, there isn't. So that one's cool. There's 2 of each. Yeah, 3 of each. So that one's cute too. Oh, I like that one. Sorry. Oh, I like that one because you can mix it up with the pinks. That was a good idea. Oh, there. You can mix it with that one. The eyelashes. So it's pretty cool. You can definitely do something with it. Oh, I like that one. So I got that. So these are just the things that I got. They were Valentine's Day. I really was trying to hold back from buying more just because there was a lot of stuff. But I just kind of wanted to share some of the Valentine's Day items. These are all 50% off, obviously, until they run out. But they have a lot of stuff, like I said, foam, stickers, activities for kids that are like in sets, decorations. I'm sure that are going to go down again to more percentage off just because they're probably trying to get rid of all that area. But definitely there's a lot of stuff still out there. If you haven't gone out there, definitely go out there and check out what they have on sale. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.